Hello friends, let's come to stand nice and tall on our mats. When you arrive there, place your feet nice and wide. I like to place my feet off to the long edges of my mat as I find that this stance works really well as I move through this posture. With that being said, we are all unique, our anatomy differs, so if something does not feel right, back out of the posture and then try something new, whether it's a wider stance or a more narrow one. Okay, turn your toes out. Heels point in. Let's rock our pelvis forward, loop our shoulders, and tuck in our chin slightly. We're gonna want to maintain that length in our back body as we move through this posture. Bring your hands to heart, prayer position, breathe in. And on an exhale, begin to bend at your knees, dropping your center. Now we're only gonna go halfway. The knees may want to spill in. We're gonna say, no thank you. So that way our knees are tracing our feet. We are here for 3, 2, and then rise on up on the 1. Great work. So we're gonna do this again, of course, dropping our center much closer to the ground. If your heels begin to lift off of the mat, no worries. Feel free to place a rolled up towel or even a blanket underneath your heels for added support. Okay, let's do this. Breathe in. And on an exhale, begin to bend your knees, dropping your center, getting closer and closer to the earth, maintaining length in our back body. When you arrive there, you can experiment with placing your whole foot on the ground. You can place your hands out in front of you for added support. I like to bring my hands to prayer position here, and then I connect my elbows to my inner thighs just to open up my knees a little bit more and to create a lift and an opening in our chest. Okay, look forward, directly out in front of you. You got this. We are only here for 3, 2, and then rise on up on the 1. You can place your fingertips on the earth to help you rise up, shake it off. You did a really great job today. So return to this video often, especially if you're looking for a nice and juicy stretch in the low body and to build some back strength. Thank you so much. Bye for now.